Ice Age flood from Glacial Lake Missoula. The Cordilleran ice sheet was a massive ice sheet that at times covered large parts of North America during glacial periods over the last 2,600,000 years. A quick story on Ice Age floods. Between about 18,000 and 13,000 years ago, a lobe, which is a roundish and flattish part of something, of the Cordilleran ice sheet moved into the Idaho Panhandle and to an area which is now Lake Pend Oreille. It blocked the Clark Fork River drainage and caused Glacial Lake Missoula to form. The lake was more than 2,000 feet deep at the dam, which is the barrier, and held over 500 cubic miles of water. This would be more than Lake Erie and Lake Ontario combined. The dam broke, and this released a huge, towering mass of water and ice. This swept across some areas of Idaho, Washington, and Oregon, and finally made its way into the ocean. Along its course, there were more than 50 cubic miles of earth and rock that were removed from fast-flowing floodwaters. Floods built large gravel bars as high as 400 feet and moved large boulders as though they were tiny pebbles. A lot of this was deposited along the flood's path, but most of it was carried out to the floor of the Pacific Ocean. That's why we see random big boulders along its flood path today. Not only were big boulders caught amongst the rushing floodwaters, animals were washed away too, including mammoths. In Kennewick, Washington in 1999, there were mammoth bones discovered in a quarry. In 2008, they were rediscovered, and it was found that these giant land animals were casualties from Ice Age flooding. On our next video, we will delve more on what archaeologists have discovered at the Kennewick site. This has been a 21st Century production by me, Mrs. B.